Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to deposit money in your Phantom wallet. So for this case, if you're depositing anything in your Phantom wallet, for this case just click on the receive button, and then after clicking on the receive button, go ahead and choose what you want to deposit. So for this case I'll be depositing the cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. So click on Bitcoin and then copy this address. After copying this address, I'll head back to my Binance. Now on my Binance, I'll click on wallet section. Once I'm on the wallet section, I'll click on withdraw, then click on withdraw crypto. Now here I'll come and search for BTC. BTC is a short form for Binance, so click on send via crypto network and then long press and paste the address over here. So once you paste the address, it automatically detects the network as a Bitcoin network. So after here, I'll just input the amount of Bitcoin I want to withdraw from Binance to my Phantom. So for this case, I'll input this amount 0.8 Bitcoin and then click on withdraw. So after clicking on withdraw, I'll receive my Bitcoin on my Phantom wallet right away. And that's how to deposit money on your Phantom wallet. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.